Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arish Asif Khan and today we will be working on the chapter Unit 6 Work and Energy, Class Ninth Physics Book Federal Board Foundation. First, let's talk about energy and its forms. Energy is the capacity of a body to do work. It is transferred from one object to another when work is done. Energy is all around us and it enables things to happen like moving, heating, lighting, etc. Examples of energy is when a boy pushes a toy car. Energy is being transferred from the boy to the car. Another example is of a child sharpening a pencil. The energy transfers to the sharpener. The third and final example is a person riding a bicycle. Energy is transferred to the bicycle. The unit of energy is joules. It is the same as work. 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter. We have many types of energy. The first type of energy is known as chemical energy. It is stored in the bonds of chemical compounds, which are atoms and molecules. It is released in a chemical reaction. For example, energy is stored in food, fuel, or batteries. Electromagnetic energy. Electromagnetic energy is that energy that is taken from light or electromagnetic wave. It travels through space and supplies energy from the sun. An example is solar energy, which is used by plants in photosynthesis. Electrical energy, it is associated with moving electric charges like electrons. An example is electricity running appliances, light bulbs, etc. Then we have sonic energy. Sonic energy is that energy which is carried by sound waves. It travels through air or other mediums. Example of sonic energy is vibrations causing eardrums to hear the sound. Then we have nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is that energy which is released from the nucleus of an atom during nuclear reactions. It is used to generate electricity in nuclear power plants. Examples are nuclear bombs or nuclear reactors. Now, the classification of energy. We have three types of energy: potential energy, kinetic energy, and mechanical energy. Potential energy is the stored energy due to a position or a state. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion, and mechanical energy is the combination of potential and kinetic energy. I hope you guys liked my lecture. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.